Yo, this is how you use Phantom Wallet. This is how you guys can trade crypto, meme coins, whatever. I'm going to show you how to use it. So first thing, you want to go to your browser and you want to go ahead and head over to your extension store. So if you're on Chrome, you can click on the little three dots in the top right if you want. And then from there, click on extensions and click on visit Chrome Web Store. So from here, you can go ahead and just type in Phantom. And as you guys can see, it's going to go ahead and come up here with the little purple Phantom app. So you guys can go ahead and click on add to Chrome and go ahead and click on add extension. After that, it's going to go ahead and add the extension up here. Inshallah, go ahead and give it a second, and it's going to go ahead and download. You guys can go ahead and import your wallet here. And as you guys can see, it's going to give you a few options here. You guys can import your keys or connect your actual physical wallet if you have a Ledger hardware wallet. So go ahead and connect your account, put in your phrases, and you go ahead and log in. Now, once you guys have logged in, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys something mine here. Let me go ahead and show you this. And boom. So as you guys can see here, we are on Phantom Wallet now. So this is just one of my test accounts here I do have for the video. So yeah. So one thing I'm going to go ahead and let you guys want to know, if you want to use Phantom Wallet, you want to always keep a tiny bit of Solana in there. Because if you don't have a little bit of Solana in there, it's not going to let you change out anything. And you're not going to be able to go ahead and swap out anything. So just to go ahead and cover some of the commissions and fees, I highly advise you guys keep a tiny amount of Solana in there. Now, you guys can do a few things here, and you can actually either come straight through on the Phantom Wallet, and you can go ahead and connect your Coinbase account and actually buy Solana straight through here. So let me go ahead and show you guys something here. So when you guys go ahead and click on here, you can go ahead and buy Solana straight through, and it's going to go ahead and get straight through to your Phantom Wallet. So this way it might have slightly more fees, but it's also just an extremely easy way to just boot up your account. So you can go ahead and click on 100, you can go ahead and click on next, and it's going to give you these three options. Either you guys can pay with MoonPay, Meso, or Coinbase Pay. They all work absolutely great, and it's going to go ahead and send the soul straight to you guys' Phantom account almost immediately. So yeah, it comes very fast, and yeah, you guys can also purchase Ethereum, Polygon, Bitcoin, USDC, etc. What a lot of people do as well, and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys a video on how to do this. A lot of people do go ahead and head over to the JupiterSoulSwap.com. And a lot of people on this website actually end up swapping over their USDC to Sol to end up avoiding fees. So what you guys can actually do is actually head up to this jupe.ag.com website. I'll leave the link in the description below, and you guys can actually connect your Phantom wallet over to your you can connect your Phantom wallet to Jupiter.com, and you guys can actually send over your USDC to Solana, and it's going to go ahead and connect it straight to your account. So you guys can actually do this, and you guys can actually swap over your Solana to any meme coins as well that you want on here too. So on the actual Phantom website here, I'll go ahead and show you. If you guys go ahead and click on swap over here, and click on select token, you'll be able to go ahead and see a good list of meme coins here. But if there's anything that's missing, let's say if you say you wanted to trade PayPay, so you guys can over here. So yeah, so anything that you guys pretty much don't see over here, or anything that you don't see automatically in the Solana section, you guys would be able to go ahead and Jupiter swap it as well, and it would definitely work for you. So yeah, that's definitely extremely ideal, and that's how you Jupiter swap over there. Okay, so you guys also do have some other options as well. So yeah, it's gonna go ahead and show you guys all your addresses here too as well for your Bitcoin, Polygon, Ethereum, and Solana. So yeah, you guys can also add and collect different wallets here too, and go ahead and connect anything there. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on this as well. So if you guys want to receive, you guys can go ahead and click on receive, and it will go ahead and show you your Solana wallet. And so yeah. So once again, guys, you are also able to click on swap here, and you can click on max if you want to swap it all. And then from there, you would just be like, okay, if you want to buy the WIF meme coin, you want to go ahead and swap it over here. So you guys would type in the amount of Solana here. You guys can either do it by Solana, or if I'm not mistaken, you should be able to show it by dollars as well if you're on the phone. I know you can absolutely change it on mobile. But so if you guys see this up here, you'll be able to be like, okay, I'm going to go ahead and change this much Solana into this much WIF, and it's going to show you the dollar amount here. Now, one thing you guys also want to pay attention for up here is the slippage settings. Now, the slippage settings is definitely something you want to be paying attention to. If you guys do have your slippage setting is if it's too low on 0.3, sometimes it's going to decline the transaction just because the amount of fees and stuff like that. So ideally, sometimes I like to have it on 0.5. So if you guys get declined on a transaction, it'll tell you immediately. It won't take any funds out or anything like that. But if you do get declined on a transaction, then I highly do recommend upping your slippage setting to either 0.5 or a 1%, or you guys can also do a custom as well, and you should be able to type in your own percentage there. But I have found that 0.5% and 0.3% does work a large majority of the time. So, yeah, so there we go, guys. As you guys can see, you guys can also see all of your activity over here as well by clicking this little lightning bolt here. We also do have all of the apps in which you can link your Phantom Wallet to. So you guys can see we do have the Jupiter app, which is going to take you to the Jupiter site, which I just told you guys about. So we also do have these also other websites here. We do have Pump Fund as well too. So pick a coin you would like, and you guys would go ahead and just see certain things like this. So yeah, you guys will be able to go ahead and see certain websites in which Phantom Wallet is compatible with. Certain of them have different functions, so just make sure you do know what you're doing. If you guys didn't want to use Jupiter as well, you guys can also use Uniswap too, which also is a great website for you guys to go ahead and swap over your coins and Solana very easily. So cool. So you guys can also check out the charts as well on each of the coins. So all you have to do is click on this, and then you guys can just click on the price detail, and as you guys can see, you'll be able to go ahead and see a tiny little chart of the whatever you see. So yeah, that's how you guys go ahead and see that. It's extremely easy. Yeah. I'm giving a 1-day free trial in my StackMODE trading Discord for my exclusive signals. Here, I'm going to be giving entry and exit alerts, levels, and trade breakdowns for futures, options, as well as crypto traders. You guys can also purchase lifetime access to the signals, where you guys can pay once and have access to the signals forever. Here, you guys will also find a link for my one-on-one mentorship sign up, and let's discuss how to get the best entries, and let's chat about strategy, risk management, psychology, and figure out what's holding you back. I want to help you guys get profitable, and payments will be flexible. I'm working with all budgets for my mentorship. If you guys want to help get profitable, make sure you guys join my Discord, and inshallah, let's make some money on.